I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking Zachology's hotspot area and committing to a direct drop. This reduces travel time and gives immediate loot access. Once done, glide low, aim for rooftop or central stairwells to reach loot quickly. Make sure to pick up mobility items like shockwave or a launch pad first because they let you rotate or escape. You'll want a ranged weapon and a healing item immediately so you can contest or disengage. Move fast, loot decisively. Set a secondary exit route. Once inside the hotspot, you methodically clear rooms and watch choke points so enemies can't funnel you. Use high ground and cover to control sightlines. If doors block you, breach with grenades or quick builds to avoid predictable entry. Make sure to prioritize chests and ammo spawns while someone watches the most likely approach. This keeps you supplied for prolonged fights. Rotate loot between players, set pinged respawn locations, and be ready to disengage if third parties arrive. You finish by choosing to either hold the hotspot to deny opponents or rotate early to capitalize on zone advantage. Both require clear intent. If you hold, fortify positions and funnel approaching players into predictable fights. If you rotate, use mobility items and pre-planned routes to exit without losing loot. Make sure to keep one teammate watching flanks while others move. Troubleshooting tip. If fights become chaotic or you're being third-partied, disengage immediately to your escape path, heal, and re-enter on your terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.